Adding a Disney gift card to a Disney account is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, go to disneygiftcard.com and click on Redeem a gift card at the top right corner. Next, scratch off the security strip on the back of your physical Disney gift card to reveal the 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN. Enter both accurately on the website. You can either link the gift card to your existing Disney account or create a new one. If linking to an existing account, log in with your Disney account credentials. After that, review the details of your gift card and account number. Then click on Redeem. The funds should be instantly added to your Disney account balance. The email you received upon purchase should have details about your digital gift card, including the 16-digit card number and CV code. There should be a clear button or link within the email itself saying Link My Gift Card. Once you see it, click on it. Then, you'll be directed to a Disney account login page. If you already have an account, log in. If not, click Create Account and follow the instructions. Once logged in, enter the 16-digit card number and CVV code from your email into the designated fields. Verify the information is correct. Then click on Link My Gift Card. The funds should be instantly added to your Disney account balance.